Yo, what's up everyone? So right now I'm going over to Jurong to pick up my wife from work, and yeah, riding there now. So supposed to pick her up at 7, but now it's already 6:57. I'm late. I do an Instagram poll asking if I should get another X-14. You guys for your opinion on whether it should be a white or a black. So apparently most of y'all vote black, but I can say my heart is more towards white lah, but I'm good with black also. So I can't decide. And I actually did another one asking if it should be in gloss or matte, and the matte black finish actually got one more vote than the gloss. Got one more vote, one more extra vote. So I think I'll be getting the matte black, and probably I get another chrome out visor to match it, because I already have the dark smoke visor. So yeah, the reason why I want another X-14 is because my current Marquez Evolution design I find a bit hard to match like the overall outfit, because I have a green color Revit jacket, then the green and the red and the blue don't match at all. I was thinking just change a full black one and do like a blackout theme. So yeah, I probably have to let go this helmet first. Hopefully someone is willing to buy it, and then I can get a matte black X-14, and probably I'll do an unboxing video of it. When I get this helmet, I didn't do any unboxing or give any review on it. So talking about review, I would just want to do a short review on the Shoei X-14 helmet. So I've owned this helmet for about 7 months now, and I've been using it I can say quite often. Probably 1 week I use it like 3-4 times. So it's quite often, not too bad. And I remember the first impression of when I wear this helmet, I can feel that it's very comfortable and super stable. You can at high speed, like let's say you do like 120, 130, you turn your head, there's the wind blow, your head doesn't wobble when you turn to check your blind spot. So this helmet actually quite very aerodynamic, and the padding wise, in terms of comfort, I compare with my Arai VZ RAM, the padding, I can say Shoei padding is probably more comfortable than Arai by about 30-40%, I feel. I really like the Shoei padding, super soft. Not sure what material they use as the lining, but it's damn comfortable. Oh, trucks, oh my god, why do I keep left? Why are you like this? Why are you like this, my friend? Why you don't want to keep left? Okay, let me do an overtake. Okay. So as I was saying, the X-14 helmet very stable, very comfortable, and the ventilation is quite good lah. Actually, you can actually feel like the wind going through the whole helmet, and it doesn't like absorb heat. I mean, during like a hot day, sometimes you can feel like your head, right? There is like heat trapped in your head like that. So this helmet so far, I never feel anything. For the Arai VZ RAM, I feel a little bit of heat, but not too bad. Still okay. The worst is the last time when I using the HJC FG Jet. Oh, that one, the heat cao lat one. The heat trap power pack. So yeah lor. The X-14 sibei shiok, sibei good, but the price sibei贵. I got this helmet for I think 900 plus if I'm not wrong. Then I bought in another dark smoke visor about 100 plus. So total about 1k plus. Very expensive. But is it value for money? I feel yes. If you going to the track, you know, you ride high speed, maybe go north south, you chill, the X-14 very good, confirm very good, confirm stable. And I really like the design of it, the shape, wow, very nice. The curve, everything on this helmet, very nice. I dig it. I actually went to see the Vista also, but the Vista, I'm wearing a L size on this X-14. Then I went to Racing World and I actually tried the Vista. The Vista L size, my head cannot fit in. Must use XL. Then when I use XL, the whole shell look very big, like out of proportion for my body. So I never buy. So yeah, just a short one. I'm almost there already. Not too late now. Very nice day to ride. Very cooling, not hot. Shook. One more thing I just want to share for the Shoei X-14. If let's say you went to the showroom to actually try out the helmet and you feel it's not very uncomfortable for you, there is actually option to change the cheek pad and everything, so you can actually customize it to fit to your head, shape. So yeah, it's one of the good thing about the Shoei helmets. You can actually customize it. So let's say your face a bit more round, your cheek more juicy, then you maybe can use a thinner padding. But if you are slim or like your cheek left with bone, then you can use a thicker padding just to secure it, just to make it feel snug. I love this road, I love this street, this stretch. The tree very nice, both sides all covered. Is there any other place that got like views like this, like the tree cover both sides of the road? Noise wise is not too bad. I find it okay, quite bearable. It's not too loud compared to the AGV K1. Yeah, the AGV K1, that one super noisy. It's like you can hear everything, that helmet. But also the ventilation, that one very good. That one very windy but not very stable. When you check your blind spot, you can actually feel like there's a lift. Your head actually lift up a bit. Okay, so I'm reaching finally. Time now 7:11. It's a store at mall. Sweet man, the sunset, nice, very nice sunset. I like to ride at this type of timing, very shiok. Okay, it's time to turn, counter steer, push. Oh, yo. See, can't corner with this NMAX. My god. Always grab the side stand.